Gujarati Education. Let's begin with today's topic. I hope you all are doing great. शुरू करते हैं आज का टॉपिक. चलिए. Good evening, friends. So today again we are back with another very important concept of time, speed, distance. This is average speed concept. Concept of average speed, right? So the question that you can see on the board, that 1/3 of a journey was covered at the rate of 25 kilometers per hour. You never know which journey it is talking about, how much total distance and all. But just given that 1/3 of the journey, so as keywords at 25 kilometers, 1/4 at 30, and the rest. So whatever rest, that is total 1 minus 1/3 plus 1/4, right? At 50 kilometers, find the average speed of the whole journey. And this question is very simple. Those who know formula can just do it, right? So there are two ways to do it. First, I'll write the formula for average speed. The formula for average speed is total distance traveled upon total time taken, right? So whatever the total distance one is covering and the time taken, if you divide the distance by time, you will get the average speed, right? There are many cases. There are cases like when the distance is constant that I've explicitly explained in our concept videos, and have taken multiple cases also as an example to understand. Here we are just going to solve this question applying this formula. Now आपके पास कई तरीके हैं कि आपने let's say D मान लिया था जर्नी, राइट? तो 1/3 ऑफ D आप 25 किलोमीटर पे जा रहे हो, मतलब टोटल डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल्ड D/3 अपॉन टाइम टेकन वुड बी डिस्टेंस अपॉन स्पीड, राइट? आपने ये दूरी तय की है इस स्पीड पे, राइट? टोटल डिस्टेंस प्लस ऑफ कोर्स टोटल डिस्टेंस तो D ही हो जाएगा पूरा, D/3 प्लस D/4 एंड प्लस अगर आप 1 माइनस D/3 एंड D/4 करेंगे तो आपको डी ही मिलेगा. तो न्यूमरेटर की कैलकुलेशन को लेके वरी नहीं होना है. This will give you D ultimately because this cancel and you will get this D only, right? One only, that is D. तो आपको ये सोच के बॉदर नहीं होना है. 1 यहाँ बोल रहा हूँ मैं, यहाँ पे हमने D माना है तो D लेना है. आपको डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट पे बॉदर होना है, राइट? सो आप देख रहे हो कि दिस सॉल्विंग इज बिकमिंग लेंदी and this will kill a lot of time. So instead of doing like this, that D upon and then solving this, D common लेंगे, D cancel होगा, denominator ऊपर and then solve. इतना time नहीं लगाना है. To do it fast, we'll apply a smart approach, right? What is that smart approach? The smart approach says that you can take the product of the denominators, like 1/3 है, 1/4 है, आप इसका डिनोमिनेटर का प्रोडक्ट ले लो, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर्स दैट इज 12, एंड इससे एक बड़ा नंबर ले लो बिकॉज यू कैन सी द डिस्टेंस इज 25, 30 एंड 50. सो एज्यूम इट्स आई मीन टोटल डिस्टेंस इज 1200 किलोमीटर. assume this is total distance. You can assume even a bigger number which is multiple of 12. Why multiple of 12? Because we don't want to deal with fractions. We want to deal with integers so that we can calculate it very fast, and that too mentally. Concept clear hai? Whenever you get a question like this fraction mein, you need to take the product of denominators, assume a bigger multiple of this product such that you will not be having problem in calculation. So now you see 1200 total distance का formula लगा दो, total distance upon, तो 1200 का 1/3 that is 400 at the speed of 25, time आ जाएगा. 1/4 that is 300 at the speed of 30 आ जाएगा, and then 400 plus 300 gone, remaining 500 at 50. How good numbers are? Do you need a paper pen to solve it? Of course no, you can calculate it mentally. अब आप इसको सॉल्व करोगे तो ये आ जाएगा 16 प्लस 10 प्लस 10, राइट, दैट इज 1200 divided by 36, and when you divide it by, let's say 12 से कर दिया, 12 3 जा and 1200, so we got our answer is 100 upon 3 kilometer per hour. This is your average speed. I hope this is clear. I'll explain once again the denominator part if you did not have under the total distance. We will assume you could have taken 600 also, 120 also, but since the speeds are bigger, I wanted not to deal with fractions. See here, no fraction, 16 easily, you calculate it so easily. So assume as big number as you can. I could have taken 2400 instead. सो टोटल डिस्टेंस आपको पता है 1200 ही है, और इसका 1200 का वन थर्ड 1200 का कितना होता है देखो, वन थर्ड 1200 का 400 होता है। सो 400 की डिस्टेंस 25 की स्पीड, टाइम आ जाएगा 16 घंटे, राइट। वन फोर्थ 1200 का 300 किलोमीटर 30 की स्पीड पे, और रिमेनिंग बच गया 1200 माइनस आप 400 और 300 जा चुके हो, तो 500 एट 50, तो इजीली कैलकुलेट हो गया। आई होप दिस इज नाउ क्लियर, राइट, दैट हाउ डिड वी टेक द डिनोमिनेटर पार्ट, फाइन। So similarly, these are smart approaches you can apply in examination hall to get a correct answer within couple of seconds, right? We'll see you in the next video with many very important concept and shortcut applications of that.